Hi students, let's learn NEET 1 most expected MCQ question. The question which I am going to teach now, it was asked many times in NEET, JEE and class 12th. Send me mail if you like. My mail ID is here and my YouTube channel is here. Let's start the question here. The question is, in the following circuit, the equivalent capacitance between the terminal A and B is how much? So we need to find out what is this. By seeing the circuit, don't fear, but you might have studied about this type of circuit in current electricity and also in capacitor. Many times this type of question might have solved. Let's start. So how many capacitors are given here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the terminals are given here. The circuit is complex circuit. Let us break down this circuit into our comfortable circuit. So what happens when the current passes through A? The charges are accumulated at 2 and other one. So same way here also. So what is happening here? Due to this charges accumulation, the potential across this 2 volts, that is diagonal, what is given 2 microfarads, become same. So there will be no potential drop between the terminals of 2 microfarads. So that means this one will be 0. Once this one is 0, these two are connected in series. These two are connected in series. And after finding this series, one can find easily the network capacitor. Net capacitor can be calculated. Let us start now. So as I told you, according to Wheatstone bridge principle in balance condition, now the net capacitance which is given in series 1 by C S, which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So that will become 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 will become 1. So this is 1 microfarad. Similarly, first set, even in the second set, first one, second one also same thing, 1 by CS. If you calculate, you will get 1 microfarad. So this 2R, now network will become like this. This will be one capacitor and this will be another capacitor. So what will happen here? A, B becomes parallel circuit. Parallel, what is the formula? C parallel is equal to 1 microfarad plus 1 microfarad. That is just added. So you will get here 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad. This is the answer. So which one is the answer? Fourth one is answer. So if you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.